how to use Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival. So if you want to use the Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival, then just watch this video till the end. So in essence, the Essence Stone is actually a stone that will help you to forge materials or level up materials for your heroes. So as you can see right now, my furnace is still low level. That means that I don't have the capacity yet. So when you head over to the Heroes tab on your device, then you should see their actual combat equipment that you can upgrade. Now, once you have the Mastery Forging, it will be available in Furnace level 7. Once you have that, you can see this thing right here, which is Mastery Forging, and then you can enhance the specific gear. So if you click on the Mastery Forging, you can enter this thing right here, where you can forge this material by this limit. So usually it's around 20, but it increases depending on what level you want to forge it. So this Essence Stone helps you to forge or level up a material, and you can get it when you are mining. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.